Well, Comvita is a natural products company. We're in the health food industry. We've grown from a business that's been about $15 million in sales to over $200 million in sales. We're famous for Manuka honey, and Manuka honey, its claim to fame was in the medical business, where some research done by a scientist in New Zealand proved that Manuka honey could kill bacteria in wounds and heal them faster.
Within our supply chain, we see sourcing as a core competence, and it's really a part of our whole Comvita story.
We've got a limited supply of honey, so it's really important where we source that honey from and that we optimise where it goes to.
Customers, particularly in a lot of Eastern markets, have lost connection with the source of their food supply, so trust is really important to them.
It's really, really important our products are natural, they're supported by science, obviously efficacious and safe. So we want to be the most trusted in this space. QAD supports us in doing that.
Yeah, technology is really transforming our business, right from the hive, where we're getting more and more insights on how our bees are performing during the season, right through to the end customer, where we're able to connect with them more effectively, to get more insights from them, and to make it easier for them ultimately to buy from us. So Channel Islands is QAD's early adopter program, and here at Comvita we are primarily all cloud-based. So what Channel Islands enables us to do is for our users to have access to an intuitive, attractive interface, to be mobile, and to work with the QAD application through a browser-based platform.
I remember talking to one of the people who was involved with Comvita in the early days. I said, give me one or two things that have really made a difference at Comvita. And his answer, which surprised me because he was originally a beekeeper, he said, when Comvita installed QAD, it fundamentally improved and changed the business. We're Comvita,
and with QAD
we are building the effective enterprise.